Hello, good day. It's great to see you again. My name is Johnny, and I'm with HomeCountry Mathematics. Welcome. We are going to continue on. Now, the first thing I would like to suggest one moment, please. That you have your multiplication table or times table memorized. This will help you solve your mathematical problems much quicker. Good luck. Let us continue. We were working on this problem. I left this last problem for you to work on. I feel that you have the correct answer. This is great. Let's find out. Okay. At this point, all we need to do is simple substitution. Our width is 3.05. Plus 2 times our length, which is 6.5. Now all we have to do is solve this side and solve this side. 3.05 multiplied by 2. Now, another way that you can do this, since there are only 2 that we're going to be multiplying, we can also just simply add the 2 values together. And you would get the same answer. 1 and 2. Remember, always line up your decimals when you're adding decimal values. Let's multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. Carrying the 1, 2 times 0 is 0, because any value multiplied by 0 is always 0. But we still have to add that 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, when multiplying decimals, figuring out where the decimal goes is easy. Here's how I do it. We could kind of look at it like upside down leapfrogging. Because we are upside down leapfrogging. Showing you again, beginning from the right side, we have 1, 2 jumps. We do the same with this answer. 1, 2. Therefore, our decimal is there. let's continue. Six 6.5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Carrying the 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. We do the exact same thing called upside down leapfrogging. We have one jump. One jump. Therefore, our decimal is right there. Continuing our problem, equals 6.10 plus 13.0. Now all we have to do is just add the two values together. 13.0. Remember, when you're adding decimals, always line up your decimal position. 6 point. 6 point. One zero. To lessen the confusion, we can add an extra zero place filler. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Bring down your decimal. 6 plus 3 is 9. And bring down the 1. Therefore, P is equal to 19.10. Don't forget your units. Centimeters. Some teachers may like, or even your parents, may like it when you box the answer. Good job. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for participating.